In the red dirt morning, just past the pines, where the rooster crows and the sun aligns, there stands Chief Cluck, feathers all in a blaze, with his warrior hands their courage ablaze. Oh, Rooster, Chief of Oklahoma, your beak sharp as a warrior's knife, led your flock through dust and thunder, protect their eggs, their little lives. The big bad wolf may howl and boast, but he's the coward of Austin. Texas just smoke. The wolf came creeping, his eyes like coal. From Austin's shadow, a thief with no soul. But Chief Cluck crowed, his hen stood tall, a barnyard army to answer the call. Feathers flew, the drum beat rolled, the wolf's dark heart grew icy cold.